All right, it's Thursday. Got these, the guy came and picked up the Texas Pride trailer yesterday, and I'm trying to make some room so I can get this big semi trailer in here because I'm kind of limited to room. And get all the spots cleared out, and then this happens. This guy just shows up. He was supposed to show, or he showed up last week to get this replaced because it's rotted out from water spraying on it. As you can see, this, it's all rotted out, and he had an issue with it where he couldn't get it here. Now he just shows up today, and now I got the semi trailer coming. Not only that, but I also still got all my steel sitting here to work on this truck. And then this shows up. 7:30 this morning, I get a phone call. Let me try to turn the light on. There we go. You can see how it's cracked. It's been welded before. The lower's been welded too. So I told him, he's got a choice. We can either band-aid it or we can fix it. And he's like, fix it. It's here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off and make a new one. I knew, and I had told him before, if that broke by, I really couldn't bevel it out because of the location. You can't get any tools in there or whatnot to bevel it out. That's all I could do is run a couple passes on there really hot. But it's going to break again. I already knew it was going to. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. And I also got these done last night before I left. I didn't want to, but I didn't want to deal with them today. So I went ahead and got these. Got all those done. And he's going to come pick those up. So let's get this done today. All right, the little trailer showed up. Got to get this done. I should have had it done a couple weeks ago, but I was waiting on the other trailers to get the hell up on out of here. So I had a little bit of room. We got a slight malfunction going on with the hinges. So fairly easy. We're just going to straighten these hinges out so this door could swing open. It's fairly easy. I don't know if my forklift can move this big heavy motherfucker, but if it can't, I'll work on it right where it's at. Not a big deal. And we went ahead and got this thing done. So I'll let this cool down and I'll paint it, and then I'll get the hell up on out of here. So I went ahead and I cut this piece off. Apparently this is a bushing that's welded to this here, and it's flat on one side. So the last time that it broke, I was only able to weld it on one side, put a bunch of passes on it. I couldn't weld it underneath there because I couldn't bevel it out, and it needed to be flat for the cylinder. So with it cut off, I was able to bevel this out, run a couple passes on both sides, and it be flat. So I got plenty of metal in there, and then I went ahead and I got it welded up. So this is done. I'll paint this up, I'll straighten this thing out, and this will get out of here. And then I got some more to do after I take lunch. All right, went ahead and finished this job up because I'm tired of looking at it already. The hinges are all lined up. So they were off really far. So two of them that I cut off had a really big gap in them. So I went ahead and filled the gap in with the wire feed. My shop's right there. So I just wheeled my generator over here. The sun's not out. so it's not too bad outside. It's really humid, but that's about it. And I went ahead and I cut this bar off because it was broke on both sides. So I cut that off and went ahead and welded some gussets in there as well. So small little trailers done and out of here. Just like me. Clean this shit up and get out of here.